Hi guys, Miss Katie's got a story for us today. It's called Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, there in his deep, dark lair, through the cold winter sleeps a great bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Do you sleep through the day? I hope not. I sleep at night. Yes, that's when I sleep too. The cold wind hollows and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. Can you snore? Good job. The itsy bitsy mouse pitter-pats, tiptoes, creeps, crawls in the cave from the fluffy, cold snow. Do you think snow is cold? It is. The mouse speaks. Too damp, too dark. So he lights the twigs with a small little spark. I hope you don't play with fire. Oh no, that's not safe. The coal starts pip-popping and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear, what did he do? Snored and kept snoring. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" A hare hopped in. That's another type of name for a rabbit or a bunny. "Hi, mouse," said Hare. "Long time no see." So he popped some white corn and brewed some black tea. He was enjoying the fire too. He was making some food. The popcorn? Yeah, that's what that is. You're right. The mouse sips were worry. The harp burps gets burping. But guess what? That bear, he kept snoring. The badger scooted by. Sniff, sniff. That cold air. It smells yummy in here. Would you share? I thought you bring some honey nuts. The badger grinned. Yes, I did. Let's divvy 'em up and guzzle 'em in. There they are. They're cooking them. They nibble and they munched. They chewed and they chomped and they crunched. But guess what? The bear didn't wake up. He kept going. The gopher and the mole made a tunnel through the floor. That's below the den. Yes. Then they were warned. The crow flew through the door. The mole, "What a night," said. "What a storm," said the worm. Enough clutter in the great big bear den. Look at him. Where do you think this is taking place? It's in a den, but where do you think it is? Do you think it's in the woods, in the forest? I think that's where it is. Or maybe by a campground? Yeah. They twiddled, they tattered, they chatted, and they chitter-chattered. But the bear was snoring on. In the cave in the woods, they slumbered with the bear, sleeping through the party in his own very lair, which is his den. See the snow on top? And they're inside. So there's snow above and there's snow below. But look, this looks like they're in a forest. That's a clue. The hare stroked the fire. The mouse seasoned the stew. Then a small flack flew, making the bear. Oh no. Do you think they're going to wake up the bear? He was snoring. Achoo! He blew his nose and the whole crowd froze. Good job freezing. Oh, what do you think's going to happen with the bear? You think he's going to be mad? Or do you think he's going to be happy? Let's look and see. When the bear woke up, the bear growled, and he snarled, and he stomped, and he growled a little more. Look at his friends. Look what's happening. How would you like it if someone came into your house? Would you like that? I know Miss Katie wouldn't like it. They snuck it out into his lair, and they had all out of the lair, and the bear felt sad. They had a party in my house, and I slept through it, and I was a part of it at all. He whimpered. He cried. How do you think he's feeling now? Yeah, he's feeling sad. You're right. And the bear, he looked and saw if there was any food left, and it was all gone. The mouse squeaked fair. No fuss. I still have some corn for you if you like. I can brew some more tea. The mouse came back because he's his friend. Look at the bear's face now. He's all happy. He has his friends. They're all gobbling the food. They're hightailing and talking about their week and how the winter has been and what has happened since he was sleeping. When the sun was peeking up through the crisp dawn, the bear didn't sleep anymore. But guess what? His friends were sleeping. Shh, don't wake them, he says. So where do you think that took place? It took place in a forest, in the woodlands, yes. Would you play with a bear? I wouldn't, but that's just me. I hope you're all being safe. Sending hugs. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.